morning. It's Hiker Dude Dad and Dr. Mom on the trail here for the Appalachian Trail in Pennsylvania. We are doing one of my favorite hikes in Pennsylvania. I've probably done it twice this year, but now it's ATinPA official. We started at the reservoir parking lot just north of Hamburg, and we're going to hop on here at Windsor Furnace, and we're going to go up past the pulpit and the pinnacle and end up at Eckville when we're done. It's going to be about a 9.5 mile jaunt. And here we go. All right, so we're here at this old sign that I love. This is where my last hike ended, here at Windsor Furnace. So we're gonna head down here, go past where I turned off for the reservoir, and keep going that way up to the pulpit. All right, so this is a spot where we begin the climb, about 1.5 miles in, and for the next basically half mile it's a big rocky climb straight up to the pulpit. So I stopped there to talk to nature, and Dr. Mom got moving here to get a little head start on me for the climb. I'm hoping I don't kill her today. She hasn't hiked really since Utah over the summer, so I'm already caught up to her. So here we go. So we're almost to the top. But here, if you look up to the right, you can see up here is pulpit where we're going. But we still have a ways to go here on the AT. So right here, I usually go and take the trail that leads around to the astronomical park. But the AT technically goes straight up a big rock scramble to get to the pulpit. It's 0.1 miles versus 0.3. But I'm trying to be purist here and do every stretch of the trail. So here we go up the way.
Definitely like a swath right down the middle there of turning red and orange.
Inside of a mile here to the pinnacle, and gotten past all the big rock obstacles that we have to do, all the boulders and everything else. So from here on it's mostly flat and then downhill to Eckville. So doing fine. All right, just got to the pinnacle. It's actually the most people I've ever seen here on a weekday. It's like 6, 7. But it's her first time. What do you think?
It's gorgeous. I love the patchwork quilt of the fields. Some green, some brown.
The leaves aren't quite where I wanted them to be right now, but I do have some color down here. Turkey vulture down there.
See a windmill way down there in the distance.
Some of that farmland she's talking about.
Hey, so it's Dr. Mom out here. Just being so ridiculous. He's gonna hate that he has to edit this out. Had a beautiful lunch out here at the Pinnacle. Really enjoyed it. Highly recommend coming out. See you later.
Coming up on this big open area, which on the official map here is a helipad. Do you need an evac?
No, I think I'm
You
good
doing
so
all right?
far.
We're
I'm doing pretty well.
almost 6 miles. Need an evac?
No.
Okay.
Nope. I'm good.
Good, because I don't even know who to call. So at this point we're descending towards Eckville now. And we only have about 90 more uphill feet, which I think is at the very end. And then 800 feet down. So time to work those quads and head on down. So after no hiking for 3 months,
At least.
plus 3+ months, how's it feel to just hop in and do 10 rocky ATinPA miles?
Not gonna lie, I wouldn't recommend just hopping in after not hiking for 4+ months into this hike. However, I feel like I finished strong and it was a great day.
I give you 30 minutes to be asleep on our ride home.
10.
It's Hiker Dude Dad and Dr. Mom. Thank you so much for watching. The road is right over there. We are out of here. Please subscribe, please tell a friend, and we'll see you next time.